Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special Robotaxi video for you all here today. This is the day before Robotaxi. This is 10/9 I'm shooting this video. I'm going to try to upload it as soon as possible, but at the same time there's a little bit, it's going to be tomorrow, so you might view this video after the fact. But we're doing a quick FSD beta drive here, and the goal in this video is to not take over at all. So hopefully FSD is capable of driving me through Sterling here into the CVS. So we're trying to get downtown into downtown Sterling and get to the CVS over there. Then actually I need to go stop by the charger. If you can see, I'm at 13%, which is nuts. We just got an FSD update coming in. That just came in. It's like the .1 release, which is nice, little patch update. Always happy to get that. Latest and greatest, the safest is what I like to call it. Because, it's just collecting data from all the Teslas, and then it's beaming it back to your Tesla. So that way you're getting the latest and greatest at all times. And yeah, it's really nice that they were able to push that out, in a very orderly fashion. So shout out to Tesla for that. And hopefully we can make it to our destination here pretty shortly. I'm really excited for hurry mode. Hurry mode is coming up in the next update, and that should be really interesting because, yeah, I mean, I've been using assertive mode. I'm pretty much camp on assertive mode for the past 2 years plus. Once in a while I play around and put it in chill or average just to see what it does, or if I really don't want to be in the passing lane for whatever reason, then I will stick it in average mode. But it's not often, because if you're in a rush, you don't want to stick it in average mode. You want to be in assertive mode. So, you want to drive to the limits, of course, but you don't want to exceed those limits. But the car needs to know its limits, so you have to kind of give it a driver profile. I think one day it would be pretty cool to see different driver profiles, like a Elon profile, maybe like a Vin Diesel profile, something like that. I don't know, And yeah, you could go grandma profile. Who knows? Wouldn't hurt for some people, and once in a while, yeah. So really nice job slowing down. I have to say I'm really excited for this event tomorrow. Got a lot of predictions up my sleeve. Who knows? Maybe a van release, maybe a steering wheel-less car. Who knows? Butterfly doors. Who knows? There's so many possibilities, and I'm excited for stuff like, I'm so excited that FSD is on Cybertruck. First of all, there's so many people I know that now all of a sudden want a Cybertruck, that was talking a lot of smack last 30 days ago, and now they want one just because it drives itself. And yeah, who wouldn't? Here we go with the left turn, very smooth left turn. We got a merge over here, and let's see how FSD handles that with this car, lady with the cell phone in her hand. Unfortunately, cars that don't have a good navigation system built in, you're gonna find yourself having to use the phone. Tesla makes a nice nifty spot for you to drop your phone when you get in the car so that you can be hands-free, and that's important. So yeah, I want to thank everyone for making it to this point in the video. This has been a super smooth drive so far, and definitely drop a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on Robotaxi and the 10/10 event, and did you watch it, or are you gonna watch it, and what are your thoughts behind it, predictions. I mean, there's just so much to talk about, but I'm very interested in FSD on the Semi. Oh my gosh, just gonna change the trucking industry forever. And I think this is the biggest unveil since Model 3 personally. I've been following Tesla since like 2018, but very close since like 2019, 2020, even 2019 really. That's when I started following like Polmars and AI Driver and Tesla owner Silicon Valley and all of these guys. Tesla Raj, I think, was one of the early people that I followed. Dirty Tesla was one of the OGs that I followed. There's a lot. Tech Geek Tesla, he's one of the early ones that I followed. and they really gave me the idea that if I'm gonna buy a Tesla, I must get FSD. And it's like, why would you get a Tesla without FSD? It's pointless. Not pointless, I mean, if you want a nice electric car, Tesla's the way to go. But FSD just takes it to a whole nother level. It gives you the option to not drive when you don't want to. And this is something that humans are not used to be honest. No one is. We're just getting used to this as we speak. And I love driving. I think it's a great thing. But I've been behind the steering wheel for, you know, I don't want to date myself, but let's just say 10 plus years. You know, and anything you do for 10 plus years, you know, you want to see the computer and whether or not it's capable of it. And I'll tell you, 3 years ago it was capable. Now it's beyond capable. Now it is smart. It's got a brain. Here we go with the right turn. We're almost at the conclusion to our drive here. And I like how FSD yielded to see what was going on with everyone around, detecting the surroundings first. And yeah, really just smooth driving overall from the Tesla. And we're just trying to pull up real quick into the parking lot here, the Sterling Park Shopping Center, for anyone local who knows this area. This is where the Sterling DMV is, which, yes, a new video will be coming out soon, as soon as I get the update on the latest for the DMV. I'm gonna do like a driver test. Uh-oh, we gotta make a right turn here with the big truck. Let's see if FSD can handle it. And it does. Very nice. And it brought me to my destination, no problem. Even with the sun gleaming in my eyes, I can barely see. But FSD can see, which is perfect. And here we go. I'm gonna take over here because it's not sure where I want to park. But I think I just want to park like right there. Ooh, next to the Tesla. Of course. So all I gotta do then is just bring the car to a complete stop. And we've got people behind me too, so we're gonna see how FSD recognizes them or not. And it does. Uh-oh, it stopped. It did a good job. It did a really good job there. All right. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was just a super fun one to shoot. And yeah, let me know your thoughts behind the 10/10 event, which is just you know, again, tomorrow for me at the moment shooting this. And yeah, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and then also hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.